What's up, my YouTubers? Today we're going to learn a double color changing card trick. So first we're going to start with the performance, then I'll go over what you need and what you need to know, and then we'll get into how to do this. Alright, let's take a look at a performance of what this trick looks like. So, you have a deck of cards, you spread out the cards and ask them to take any card that they would like. So let's just say they pull out this guy right here. They take a look at it. Of course, you wouldn't see what the card is because they would take it out of your hands and take a look at it. I always mention make sure you memorize the card or it will ruin the entire trick. As soon as they got it, I say place it back into the center, just like this. Now, your card is actually going to reveal itself in kind of a weird way. Well, I guess it's not that weird, but watch. Did you see it happen? Of course they didn't, because if we go to about the center of the deck, we will find a single blue card. And of course, guess what card is the blue card, and they will have their card, the 6 of spades. And I also want to show there is no other blue card inside of the deck. In fact, there is no blue card at all. So I just want to pause for a moment and ask, before I give you the reveal of the trick, if you could please give this video a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. Alright, let's continue with the reveal. Alright, so we basically need 3 things to make this trick work. 2 are just skills that you need to have, and the last one is a gimmick. So the first 2, you need to know how to do a double lift. So if you don't know how to do any double lift, will do. So if you don't know how to do a double lift, check out my video in the description. And you will also need a gimmick, a double back card. Now you could just tape 2 cards together, but I would suggest doing what I would do, which is make a double back card yourself, which you can find in the link right up here. That's flashing on your screen. So make one of those, and then the last thing you need to be able to do is just a simple swing cut. That's it. So if you can do a double lift, a swing cut, and you got a double backer, obviously a double backer with 2 different backs, you are ready to go. So here's what you do. You take your double backer, blue side up, that goes onto the bottom of the deck like that. Now, you just got to be careful as you spread through, you don't spread all the way to the bottom to reveal the card, or do any other silliness that might reveal the card. So you ask them to grab any card that they would like. They pull one out. You really don't know what it is at this point. And as they take a look at it, you're gonna do a swing cut. So if you don't have a swing cut, you can find those anywhere. I think I even have a tutorial on there. If you do a search on my channel for basic cuts, you'll find one for swing cuts. So you swing cut the top of the deck into your left hand like this. That means the blue double backer is right here at the bottom of this packet. So when they return the card, here you're actually just throwing the double backer on top. Now, what you do is you spread through the cards until you get to the blue backer. As soon as you do, you split it there. I take these cards, I knock them in, and I place them all underneath the entire pack. I then spread a little bit, and I do a pinky get ready. I spread 2 cards out like this, and then I pull them back in, and I put my pinky right under here to get ready for a double lift. But any double lift will suffice as long as you're turning over 2 cards. Now, unlike most double lifts where you hold the lift as you turn it over, I actually turn it over and just let it fall all the way. Once you've done that, the work is done at this point. You've showed them the blue card, now you have revealed their card, and that's when I either place it on the table or on the ground, or I'll place it face up in their hand, and then I'll show them like this. So I peel down the first card, which is actually the double backer. That's what's hidden here. And I peel down a couple cards, and then I start spreading through to show there is no other blue card. Square them back up, and I show them there really is no blue card at all. And really, that's all there is to it. So let me go over those two moves real quick. I'm not going to go over them as in depth. If you still have trouble after I show you right now, take a look at my other videos. So the first one is you hold in biddle grip. That means your thumb is behind, your fingers are on top. You're going to take your first finger and pull up some cards, and then take your other hand and you're literally just going to grab those cards and then throw the pack on top. That's it for the swing cut. So again, thumb on the bottom, fingers on the top, your pointer finger is pointing out. Pointer finger is going to reach down and just pull cards. They're going to pivot on the thumb here, and all you're going to do is grab them with your other hand and then throw the deck on. For the double lift, just to show you once more, I'll show you with the blue card here. So if we have the blue card here and we use the 2 of clubs again for the double lift, to do the get ready, what I like to do is, how crazy would it be if this was your card? And I spread out the cards and I spread them back in, and then I hold the pinky break. So I spread them out and I say, how crazy would it be out of all the cards that this blue card was the exact same card as the card you picked? And as I say that, I get my little break, and I have 2 cards here squared up and held just like this. I then, all you gotta do, this is an easy double lift, is you just flip it over and let it fall flush. Now it's covered. Here's the double, and here's the card that you put down as you show there are no other blue cards. And then you bring the attention back to their card and show that there really are no blue cards whatsoever. Whoops. That's really it. It's a pretty fast, easy tutorial. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure if you did find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe of course. And other than that, I will see you later.